Hey there, goal-getters! Welcome to a journey of transformation and success. Want to live a life you love? Imagine waking up every day with a sense of purpose and excitement. It starts with a plan. A well-thought-out plan is the foundation of any great achievement. You wouldn't build a house without a blueprint, right? Just as an architect needs detailed plans to construct a building, you need a clear strategy to build the life you desire. The same goes for your life. Reflect on what truly matters to you and envision your ideal future. A personal development plan is your roadmap to success. It's a comprehensive guide that outlines your goals, strategies, and the steps you need to take. It helps you define your dreams and create a step-by-step guide to achieve them. By breaking down your goals into manageable tasks, you make the journey less overwhelming and more achievable. Think of it as your personal GPS, guiding you towards a brighter future. Just like a GPS provides directions to your destination, your plan will keep you on track and help you navigate any obstacles. Whether you dream of launching a business, mastering a new skill, or simply living a more fulfilling life, a personal development plan can help you get there. It's about setting clear, actionable goals and staying committed to them. A personal development plan can help you get there. Celebrate each milestone you reach, no matter how small, as it brings you one step closer to your ultimate goal. It's time to take control of your destiny. Embrace the power of planning and watch how it transforms your life. Are you ready to unlock your full potential? Let's dive in. Together, we'll explore the steps to create a powerful personal development plan that will set you on the path to success and fulfillment. So why is personal development so important? It's a question that many of us ponder at some point in our lives. Personal development is the conscious pursuit of personal growth by expanding self-awareness and knowledge and improving personal skills. It's about taking charge of your own life and making the most out of your potential. Here's the deal. Life is constantly evolving. The world around us is in a state of perpetual change, and so are we. From the bustling cities to the serene landscapes, everything is in motion. This constant evolution means that we are always presented with new challenges and opportunities. New challenges and opportunities pop up every day. Whether it's in our professional lives, academic pursuits, or personal endeavors, we are continually faced with situations that test our abilities and push us to grow. It's in these moments that personal development becomes crucial. Personal development helps you adapt, grow, and thrive in the face of change. It equips you with the tools and mindset needed to navigate life's ups and downs. By focusing on personal growth, you can turn obstacles into opportunities and setbacks into comebacks. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, inside and out. This means taking care of your mental, emotional, and physical well-being. It's about setting goals, building healthy habits, and continuously striving to improve. When you commit to personal development, you invest in your happiness, fulfillment, and success. It's a journey that not only benefits you, but also positively impacts those around you. Your growth can inspire and uplift others, creating a ripple effect of positivity. You gain valuable skills, boost your confidence, and unlock hidden potential. Personal development can open doors to new opportunities and help you achieve your dreams. It empowers you to take control of your destiny and live a life of purpose and meaning. Ready to unleash your inner rock star? Embrace the journey of personal development and watch as you transform into the best version of yourself. It's a lifelong commitment that promises endless rewards. Let's create a plan that works for you. Start by setting clear, achievable goals and take consistent steps towards them. Remember, personal development is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay dedicated, stay motivated, and enjoy the journey of becoming your best self. Before setting goals, we need to dig deep. Ask yourself, what truly matters to you? What are your passions, your values? Your why is your driving force, your reason for getting out of bed each morning. It fuels your motivation and helps you stay committed to your goals. Think about the impact you want to make on the world. What legacy do you want to leave behind? Your why will guide you on your journey. Remember, this is your life, your journey. Embrace it. Now let's talk goals. Setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. It's about taking your dreams and giving them a structure, a plan, and a timeline. Without goals, your dreams remain just that, dreams. But with goals, you can turn those dreams into reality. To make your dreams a reality, they need to be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This framework ensures that your goals are clear and reachable, providing a sense of direction and purpose. Specific, clearly define what you want to achieve. A specific goal has a much greater chance of being accomplished than a general one. For example, instead of saying, "I want to get fit," say, "I want to run a 5K marathon in 3 months." Instead of learn to cook, try master 3 new Italian recipes. This way, you know exactly what you're aiming for and can focus your efforts accordingly. Measurable. How will you track your progress? Set clear milestones. When you measure your progress, you stay on track, reach your target dates, and experience the exhilaration of achievement that spurs you on to continue the effort required to reach your goal. Achievable. Be ambitious but realistic. Your goal needs to be attainable. It should stretch your abilities but still remain possible. Setting an achievable goal helps you identify previously overlooked opportunities or resources that can bring you closer to it. Start with small, achievable steps. Break down your larger goal into smaller, manageable tasks. This makes the goal less overwhelming and more attainable. Relevant. Align your goals with your values and passions. A goal that matters to you will keep you motivated and focused. Ask yourself why the goal is important to you and how it aligns with your long-term objectives. Time-bound. Set deadlines to stay accountable. Every goal needs a target date, so you have a deadline to focus on and something to work toward. This helps prevent everyday tasks from taking priority over your longer-term goals. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Let's make it happen. By setting smart goals, you give yourself a clear path to follow and a timeline to stick to. This not only helps you stay focused and motivated, but also increases your chances of success. So take the time to set your SMART goals today and start working towards turning your dreams into reality. Section 5. Breaking it down. Big goals can feel overwhelming. Break them down into smaller, manageable steps. Celebrate each milestone along the way. Think of it like climbing a mountain. Focus on reaching the next base camp, not just the summit. Small wins build momentum and keep you motivated. Create a visual representation of your goals. Use a vision board, a journal, or a digital tool. Seeing your progress is incredibly powerful. Remember, you don't have to do it all at once. Progress, not perfection. Section 6. Identifying resources. What resources do you need to achieve your goals? Think about books, courses, mentors, or communities. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Surround yourself with supportive people who believe in your dreams. Their guidance and encouragement will be invaluable. Remember, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Learn from the experiences of others who have already achieved what you desire. Collaboration is key. Tap into the power of community. Section 7. Creating a timeline. Give yourself a deadline for each step of your plan. This creates a sense of urgency and helps you stay on track. Be flexible. Life happens. If you need to adjust your timeline, that's okay. The important thing is to keep moving forward. Use a planner, a calendar, or a digital tool to schedule time for working on your goals. Treat them like important appointments. Remember, consistency is key. Make time for your dreams.
Let me hear you say 1, 2, 3, 4.
Section 8. Tracking your progress. Regularly review your progress and celebrate your achievements. This helps you stay motivated and make adjustments along the way. Track your wins, no matter how small. Did you complete a task? Learn something new? Give yourself credit for every step forward. Reflect on your journey. What's working well? What could you do differently? Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Remember, self-reflection is a powerful tool for growth. Section 9. Staying motivated. Motivation can fluctuate, so it's important to find ways to stay inspired. Surround yourself with positive influences and celebrate your successes. Create a vision board with images and quotes that inspire you. Visualize yourself achieving your goals and feel the excitement. Reward yourself for reaching milestones. Enjoy a special treat, spend time doing something you love, or share your accomplishments with loved ones. Remember, you've got this. Believe in yourself and your dreams. Section 10. Celebrating successes. Take the time to acknowledge and celebrate your accomplishments. Every victory, big or small, deserves recognition. Share your successes with your support system. Let them celebrate with you and cheer you on. Their encouragement will fuel your fire. Reward yourself for your hard work and dedication. You've earned it. Treat yourself to something special that brings you joy. Remember, your successes are worth celebrating. Enjoy the journey. Section 11. Achieving your dreams. Creating a personal development plan is an act of self-love and empowerment. It's a commitment to living your best life. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Trust the process, stay committed to your goals, and never give up on your dreams. Now go out there and make it happen. The world is waiting for your unique brilliance. You've got this.